There is snakes here, and they could kill you. I don't know if kill you or paralyze you, but yeah. So that's why it's always good to go in the woods, you know. Huh?
When it's cold?
Oh, well, when it's cold, yeah, but if you're like picking mushrooms and berries and such, you want to wear like boots. Huh? Not really, no. It was a lake at some point.
Probably dried out.
It's a woodpecker. No, it's squirrels. Or a woodpecker. I don't know.
It's a woodpecker. Yeah, I see it. It's a woodpecker.
You see it? All right, good. I've got it on.
Yep. Yeah, you are, little fucker. Yeah, that's it. That's what you get.
How did you see that? Oh, shit. So cute.
I know, right?
All right, let's not bother them.